It's finally a dry day here in Wales, so I've been able to get out and sort out this cordyline. I needed to trim back the trunk a bit and remove the old flower stalk from last summer. I removed the stalk because I want the plant to put all its energy into creating these new branches, which you can clearly see forming now. It looks much better now after its pruning, and it's really soaking up the sunshine in the centre of the garden. This is the cordyline that I bought a few weeks ago. We did place it in a larger pot, but now we've decided it needs to go into the ground. It's a lovely plant and it's a really good size, but I think it'll do a lot better in the ground. At the bottom of the garden, I've got a large gravel pathway. It doesn't really need to be this big, and so I thought I'd use it as a new planting bed. I started scraping away the gravel over to one side so that I could remove the log edging and put it back down in its new place. When the hole was dug big enough, I gave it a generous amount of bone meal. Sprinkle it on nice and thickly. When the cordyline was in the right position, I backfilled all the earth into place and give it a push down with my foot. Not too hard though. I then gave the area a good rake in, and then it was time to put the plant back into place. I dug the holes for each plant and then backfilled it in with my hands and gave them all a good firming in. Now when you walk down the garden path, it looks lovely with the cordyline in place. Hopefully it'll grow well here as it'll have a lot of afternoon sunshine. All of the plants are coming along well in the garden. but it looks a lot fuller now down the bottom with the new cordyline. I placed some pebbles around the bottom of the pathway along the log edging just to finish it off and make it look a little bit more decorative. I think it looks lovely. Let's hope this drier weather stays for a little bit longer so I can get on with painting the bottom of my wall black and get the new wall built again. We still haven't had it done as it's been so wet, but we will. We just need a little bit more dry weather for a few days. I hope you've enjoyed spending time with me in the garden today. Why not subscribe and watch some more of the other videos? It was lovely to have an afternoon where the sun is shining. I think we've all forgotten what that feels like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.